Oh, it's Horace. Dozing. Look at him. Is that your tail there, man? Me. Oh, dozing. Oh, he's just chewing at the bud right now. Oh my god. Ah, look at that. Corella. Just chewing at the bud. At the bone. Crunching the bone. Straight to the bone. The Sora. Oh, the hacksaw. Look at him. The human. Switchblade. Look at it. Destroy evil. It's cement. Look at it. Is that your wing there? Is that... Oh. Oh, was that a cocky? Was that a cockatoo? Look at him. Under the wing. His wing extended a bit. In the little section B. And his stomach. And his tail, oh my god, oh shit. Don't touch the tail of a cockatoo or a corella or a galah. Galahs are usually okay. These ones, oh. They'll go off. Don't touch a cockatoo's tail either. Oh. Boris. Oh. Here's the cage. There's oh, look at him, Koji. He was born early December last year. Hey, oh, look at him. The cockatoo. Oh. Ah, look at this. Oh, Boris is next to Beth and Flash. His friends. Oh. Here's Beef. Natalia. Heather's her favourite. Heather always sits next to Natalia. If Horace is with me, or if Horace is destroying the wall, she'll sit right next to Natalia, up on that perch up there, and just bark next to each other. And Boris sometimes will sit with us. And they all sit next to each other and all eat together. There's no fighting, just love, peace, respect. And they all know it. They're all one is all. Oh, look at Holla. They all get a pat. They all get a speaking to. In a sense of training. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Look at that cage. Oh, Boris, what's he gonna do? Oh, he's fine. Oh. I play King of the Hill up there all the time. Isaiah. My cocky's on top. Now I knock the other one off. Put him on the other one. I kept trying to fly to each other's top spot of the perch. Or they'll just do the 360 spin Rooney on the perch. Oh, I'll rest, naughty boy. He was in the way of the jump. Kid, should have just nerved. Nothing happened, no feathers. My nose being. Oh! Naughty boy. Showing up, eh?